Hello there. We've had a pretty autumnal week with the heavy rain to start with, and then the heavy showers and the strong and the gusty winds. The good news is the day ahead for most of us will be a nice quiet end to the week with a lot of dry and bright weather around, some decent spells of sunshine, especially this morning. However, it will be cold, and that's because we've got winds coming down from the Arctic. You can see the tightly packed isobars, the lines, meaning it's pretty windy out there, and those winds have been up to gale force in the far northeast through the night, and with temperatures further south dropping to the realms of ground frost with the wind added on. Pretty chilly, I should imagine, for most of us. Now, there will be some fair weather cloud building up, but it won't spoil things if you're heading off to the one-day international cricket taking place at the Oval between England and Pakistan. However, it won't be particularly warm because of that keen wind. That wind still keen across eastern counties. As you can see, by the afternoon there are one or two showers spotted around in southern counties, but they'll be the exception rather than the rule. The wind always strongest for eastern counties of both England and Scotland, nearer to the area of low pressure, but I think there'll be a notch down on those of yesterday. And with temperatures into the mid-teens, not a bad day. Yes, one or two showers are possible, but they should be lighter than recent days. Any heavier ones are more likely to be up in the northeast of Scotland, where the winds will still touch gale force. Further west, some decent spells of sunshine, as we'll see across Northern Ireland as well. Not a bad day at all here, and basically a dry one. The morning might bring one or two showers, which may linger for parts of West Wales, the centre of Wales, across the West Midlands and the southwest of England. But the exception rather than the rule, I think, for most of us, an awful lot of dry and bright weather to be found, with the winds lighter and in that sunshine feeling quite pleasant. However, we've got the ridge of high pressure with us through the coming night, that high pressure drifting further in actually, which means that it's going to be colder still, particularly for England and Wales. Temperatures will pick up ahead of a weather system for Scotland and Northern Ireland. The towns and cities though across England and Wales getting down to 5 or 6 degrees Celsius, and out in the countryside it'll be colder still, which means a fairly widespread ground frost to start on Saturday morning, even a little bit of mist and fog. However, that area of high pressure that I talked about will slowly relinquish its grip on the UK as we see these weather fronts drifting in off the Atlantic. So a very different complexion to the weather on Saturday, with clouding over and rain edging its way gradually, so particularly across the northern half of the country. But by Sunday there's even the chance of a little bit of rain getting further south. So it certainly looks cloudier, not much warmer. Temperatures perhaps getting into the high teens. After that chilly start, however, with the clear skies, the sunshine, it does turn much more unsettled later on.